Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unmute notes on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, choose someone. Okay, then back. Click on profile, tap on following. Okay, just click, tap on this option and click on mute, then back, tap on three-line option, scroll down, okay, choose on mute option. Okay, this option muted accounts, then click on unmute, tap on unmute, mute notes, just click off notes. That's all to unmute notes on Instagram. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment.